Strongly bullish GEV stock is trading between its resistance and support levels, and projections are currently saying 631.15, 656.26, 671.776. On Thursday, the 11th of September, it got a rejection at $655. We'll see, yeah, $655. Let's see what does that correspond to. We'll find out. Okay, previously they had projections going all the way towards 801. Yeah, 860 as a matter of fact. 707.12, 802.03, 860.67. Its price pressure momentums are severely bearish. The 10 and 21 day moving averages are severely bearish. However, the 20, the 40, and the 200 day moving averages are positive. The 200, the 40 day moving average is maintaining its trend, and the 200 day moving average still trending. What this implies is that in the very short term, much of the shares bought between 10 and 21 days have all sold out, and they are still selling. Setting pressure. Traders are very much active right now. They are, I would say, let's call them traders because they are very much short term. Okay, yeah, since they bought their positions, since their trading positions that were opened or between 10 and 21 days ago, then we maybe call them traders or short-term investors. They have sold out. They have sold their positions. New openings haven't new positions have not come in. They're not enough yet. They're not that substantial. The ones opened uh, over the last 40 days, they're still very much intact, even though they've been shaken because this selling pressure has affected it as well. The ones opened over the last 200 days have not been affected. They're still very much intact. They are, majority of them are still open. The very short term, no, they have all been sold out. So majority of the positions that were opened over the last 10 to 21 days have sold out. It does not mean that people are not buying at the moment. So that is what some of these price pressure momentum indicators are also indicating. Yeah, that's what they're also indicating. So we have a couple of probabilities. The reason why I mentioned that 655, you can see that this is the top of its market grid. This is at the top of it. It's just slightly below that. So the stock reached there and got a rejection. And usually, when you get to the top of the grid, it is also an indication that you should consider closing your position. And that is exactly what happened. It was confirmed that you should be closing your positions, and yeah, there was a rejection there. So a couple of trade setups here. It's actually saying that between the current levels, between 622 to 630, it might provide a buying opportunity. Yeah, it might provide opportunity, and indeed, it's saying here that a volume at 2.64 million shares suggests institutional interests during the pullback. Okay, yeah, that may be what's going on. That may be what's going on. So indeed, very shares opened, positions opened in a very short time that were opened in a very short time uh, have all been sold out. Indeed, some are coming in, but majority of them have been closed. They could be as a result of short selling or whatever it is. But when there isn't enough open positions, yeah, of late in the very short term, yeah. So let's just see. It is providing a buying opportunity going by what we have seen here. These negative indications here. Yeah. So we'll see how it goes. There's a good chance they might bounce and maybe break uh, break this resistance at 655 and maybe go on to test the highs of you never know, 707. Who knows? He could do that. Yeah. So just get in there and see what you make of GEV, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.